I want to talk about tweens. In Phaser, a tween is a change of one property, of a sprite or of anything in Phaser, from one value to another value over a period of time. For example, I want to change the X position of a sprite from, say, this current location to a destination, a target location in 1 second. So that will give me an animation, a smooth animation. We are going to implement a tween here so that we can have the current animal being moved either to the left or to the right, and the animal that will come after, which could be located either here or on the right, the animal will move to the center. So it's two tween movements that we want to create. And as I just mentioned, you can do these tween animations for any property. So it could be the position, the size, the alpha value to make it transparent. And you can also do it for many properties at the same time. Let's start by adding an initial position for the new animal. So we created all the new animals and we put them all in -1000. But if I want to retrieve an animal from this side, I would like the animation to begin on this side and then move here. So I'm basically going to set the X position of the new animal to the value where I want it to start. So that will be basically, if we're moving in from the left to the right, I want it to be here. So it's going to be minus new animal.width divided by 2. If it's on the other side, it's going to be new animal.x equals 640, which is the size of the width of the screen. New animal.width divided by 2. So that will place it on the right. That's the initial position. Let me now create this tween animation. We're going to get rid of that. And this is going to be called a new animal movement. So this will be the movement of the new animal, which will move to the center. And that's going to be game.add. So we're using our game factory again, creating new objects. Tween. We are going to tween on new animal. And new animal movement, we set a target, a destination for the property. So the destination here is going to be for the property X. And the final destination is just going to be this.game.world.centerX, because it's going to be moved to the center of the screen, either from the left or from the right. The final destination of the new animal is going to be the center of the screen. So that's why I'm typing that in here. And this is going to take place over 1 second, which is the default value. I don't have to enter it, but if I'm just going to enter it to make it explicit. If I don't enter anything, it's going to be 1 second. That's 1000 milliseconds. Let's make this movement actually start. Let's make it happen. So far we've defined it, but until we call start, it just won't take place. I'm going to reload the game now, and let's see what's happening. I'm calling all the new animals to the center. But I'm still not moving the old animal. So I have to create another movement for the old animal, or the current animal. It's called current animal movement. Game.add.tween. Actually, this should be this.game, not just game. Game is, we're getting away with it because it's declared outside, but we should be more careful. So this.game.add.tween, and this is for a current animal. And I'm just gonna copy this and change a few things. So the final position in X is what we've calculated previously, is end X. That's the final position for X. If I reload the page now, you'll see that, whoops, there's an error. Current animal is not defined. That's because it's actually this.currentAnimal and not just current animal. Let's try it again. And there we go. We have it now working. That we can switch the animals and they're moving. But as you can see, there's a few issues that we still have to take care of. But we at least have the basics working.